Hey guys, so this is the second part of the video just because I ran out of time on the first. What I want you to do is pause the video here and try these two and then hit play and see how you did. Okay, so for number 5, the two that are perpendicular, you should have gotten blue and green because the blue one is 6 and the green one is -1/6. Okay, so that's number 5. Number 6 should also be blue and green. The blue one, you should get the blue and the red, I'm sorry. So the blue one should be -1/2, and the green one should be 2, and then also the red and the green, okay, because the blue and the red one both have the same slope. Okay, which means the red and the blue are parallel. And the green one is perpendicular to them both. Okay. Let's take a look at number 5. Number 5 says, are the given lines perpendicular? So once again, we have these weird, vertical and horizontal lines. And if you remember what I said previously, if they're both y equals a number or both x equals a number, they're parallel. But if you look at these two, if I graph this, x equals -2 looks like this, y equals 8 looks like this. Those are perpendicular, okay? And so the rule is, if you have a y equals a number and an x equals a number, right, so just the number on the other side, it looks like an olive, you get the idea, then that is perpendicular, those two, okay? So in this case, these are perpendicular, have an x and a y. They're both the same, parallel. If they're different, perpendicular, that only applies if the stuff over here is just a number. If I have something like this, that does not apply to this rule because there's all this other stuff over there, not just the number, okay? It only applies if there's just a number on the right because it's one of those lines that's either vertical or horizontal. Okay, go ahead and try these two on your own. Pause the video here and then check your answers. So for number 7, these are not perpendicular because we've got an x equals and an x equals. So in this case, actually, they're parallel. And for number 8, the answer is yes, because one of them is y, one of them is x. There's just numbers over there. If we were to graph these, remember, y equals 0 looks like this. X equals 0 looks like this. So those are perpendicular, which as a reminder, perpendicular means they intersect at a 90-degree angle. Okay, and like we said, you can't always tell just from looking if this is a 90-degree angle. I think sometimes it's really obvious, right? If I give you this, right, that's probably not going to be 90 degrees. But regardless, you want to do the math and check it because sometimes our eyes can't tell. It could be really close. It could be like 89 degrees and we can't tell the difference. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you so much. Make sure you understand this. If you need to go back to any